Hi guys, it's Isabella. Thanks for watching my videos. Make sure to subscribe below and hit that like button. Thank you. Hey guys, it's Christmas Day 2020. Welcome to the 1000 Robux giveaway result. And it's not 1000 Robux, it's actually 1200 Robux. I paid £10 for it, but if you convert it to US dollars, it's actually $15 in Roblox, which is 1200 Robux. Thanks for all of these people who are on the screen entering the giveaway. I've had lots of comments and responses. If you didn't win, then please don't worry. I'll have more Robux and in-game items for giveaway. Make sure to watch out for these videos. Okay, let's get on with the giveaway results. This is what you could win. At the back is a code and I'm going to scratch it and give it to you. So one lucky winner is going to get this. Good luck guys, I hope this will make you very happy for this Christmas. If you don't win, don't be too disappointed. I will do more giveaways soon. Let's choose the winner, but don't forget to close your eyes or just look away somewhere because then this can hypnotize you. I looked at it. And the winner is Dark Matter Plays YT. Well done, Dark Matter Plays YT. You're going to get this 1200 Robux. Congratulations and thanks for playing. I will contact you through my social site or the post you contacted me on. I will send the voucher code for the 1200 Robux via an email address. Okay, thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my video. Bye! Connect the hearts.